Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, you need to check if Wi-Fi is turned on or go to settings, network and see if your Wi-Fi is functioning well. Now step 2, restart your device, restart your laptop or computer, power cycle your router or unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back. Wait until all lights stabilize and then try reconnecting. Step 3, forget and reconnect to the network. Now you need to click your Wi-Fi name, forget, reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're entering the correct password. Now step 4, what you're going to do next is you have to simply go to your start menu and then search for network troubleshooter or troubleshooter settings. Tap on additional shooters and then here you have to look for internet options and then run and follow the on-screen steps. Now it will detect the problem if there is and then will give you some suggestions on how to fix. Now you need to update your Wi-Fi driver. So you need to go to your network adapters. So locate your network adapter and then right click your Wi-Fi adapter. Now update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers. If it still doesn't work, try uninstalling the driver and then restart your computer. If this method didn't work, try to restart your computer or just do the last method, which is to manually set up IP address. So you just have to follow go to network settings, adapter options, right click your Wi-Fi properties IPv4 and then set it to obtain IP and DNS automatically. So basically, these are the ways on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.